A single toilet for a basti of over 5,000 people is a daily reality of 50 million people living within informal settlements of India. These are the poorest of the poor who do not have access to even basic sanitation and water facilities. For sanitation, slum dwellers pay more than $1 to use a community toilet, which generates a revenue of 43 million a year. The most marginalized pay more than $120,000 per day for the most basic necessity, yet these facilities are rarely maintained. So we ask the women living within these settlements what really needs to be done to improve access and quality of these basic services. Tanki is addressing these gaps through technological innovation by adopting a decentralized mechanism that uses Internet of Things to improve service delivery of public sanitation. It uses a twofold solution that connects the service delivery with the beneficiary to enable real-time water, hygiene, and sanitation monitoring. By digitizing public sanitation and maintenance, we can ensure safe access to affordable and hygienic sanitation in dense informal communities. So, how does Tanki work? It employs a digital toilet management system integrated with IoT, such as microcontrollers, proximity sensors, to automate public toilets. The devices are connected by a 4G network, enabling real time updates on the usage of toilet and information on hygiene behavior of users, such as hand washing, footfall, flushing, making it very easy to maintain these services for its end users. On the beneficiary side, it consists of a GIS tracking system that enables users to schedule waste collection, regular maintenance, and repair of facilities. Most public toilets in India do not have adequate sewer lines or a solid waste disposal system, which calls for non sewer sanitation delivery. By connecting the consumers to the latrine emptying services, they can track service delivery to ensure safe disposal. In our last step, Tanki leverages the data collected to inform evidence-based policy making. Most often in Indian cities, slum dwellers are ignored from policy decisions due to lack of data availability. To make these decision-making processes more participatory and transparent, the data collected is utilized to determine budgetary allocations for infrastructural development in slums. Tanki uses a B2C business model that operates a digital toilet management tool to upgrade existing public sanitation facilities. We have identified our potential clients and investors that are urban local bodies, intergovernmental institutions, municipalities, and slum dwellers. The revenue would be generated by an initial service fee, Clean India Mission scheme, and other government and CSR funds. Over the last year, as a part of the MIT Sandbox Innovation Program, we have been engaging with slum dwellers of Krishnanagar and Thane. The city consists of 1.8 million people, with 17% of its population living within slums. Here, we deployed our first digital toilet management system to upgrade existing community toilets. We are a team of spatial designers and urban planners who have over 8 years of on-ground experience of working on sanitation, housing policy, and community engagement in India. The team also includes on-ground community grassroots leaders from slum settlements and partnerships with leading CBOs and NGOs such as Project Bhalla, Teach for India, that have been working on public sanitation delivery and wash education. Through the Tanki toll, we recently harvested over 1 million liters of water to supply within informal settlements at Krishnanagar. But we believe that long-term sanitation change can only occur if entire community has a shared vision for tackling issues of sanitation and waste disposal. Therefore, through close community workshops, we also focus on establishing trust and long-term relationships with our community. The robust approach to wash delivery has resulted in having clean, hygienic toilets that can be closely monitored based on its footfall and daily usage. The project has successfully helped in eliminating various barriers of gender, caste, and class discrimination in accessing water and sanitation services. With climate change disproportionately impacting informal communities, we believe that technological innovation combined with social justice can result in inclusive wash delivery, making these settlements climate ready.